Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to Autobridge in Minecraft. So, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open the web browser and go to meteorclient.com. It is the main mod that we are going to use in this video. After going to the website, download the latest version available except a beta version. So you can see I have already downloaded it. Now we need another mod called Fabric to make this Meteor Client mod working. To download it, go to the second link in the description. So you can see there is a button to download Fabric Loader, but we also need Fabric API to run the Fabric Loader. To download it, go to the third link in the description and download the API according to your Minecraft version. Mine is 1.17.1, so I'm downloading that version. After downloading the Fabric API, let's download the Fabric Loader. Now we have downloaded all the three things that we need to Autobridge in Bedwars. Before we install them, I need to inform you guys that now we are having an amazing Discord server with more than 100 members. We do many giveaways, so do not forget to join our Discord server. And you can see only 4.5% of you have subscribed my channel. I put lots of effort in making those videos, so don't forget to subscribe our channel to give me a support. It's completely free. So first, double click on the Fabric Loader to open it. Then select your Minecraft version and the Minecraft folder location. And click on Install. Then open Run by pressing Windows key and R. Type %appdata% and click on OK. Then open Minecraft folder and open the mods folder. After that, drag and drop the Fabric API and the Meteor Client file to the mods folder. Now we are done with the installations. Now open your Minecraft launcher. I'm using T Launcher. Go to your version list and select the Fabric as the version. Then launch Minecraft. Okay, now here we are in Minecraft. If we head over to the controls, you can see there is a new one called Click GUI. It is the Meteor Client interface. You can use right shift to open it. You can see there are many options and you can right click on any option to customize it. There is also an auto clicker that you can use for both right mouse button and the left mouse button to increase your CPS. You can even make a shortcut for toggle each option on or off. So now let's talk about the scaffold feature. If you are not good at bridging, this feature will help you. When this feature is enabled, you can literally auto-bridge. How cool is that, huh? If you are using that feature for Bedwars, you need to change some settings. We need to make a whitelist of blocks that we use to bridge. If not, it will auto-bridge with all the blocks you have in your inventory. So, to do that, turn the block filter to whitelist and select all the wall blocks. Now we are ready to play a game, but keep this in mind. Using this mod is bannable and use it at your own risk.